In chapter 2, India's physical environment. This is structure and physiography. In this chapter, we have already learned about, in our previous video about India's geological region, that is Peninsular Block, Himalaya Mountain and Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra Plains. Now next topics are related to the physiography. Physiography of an area is the interplay of the outcomes of structure, process and the stages of development. A landform or the physiography of a place is the result of these three processes: structure, process and the stages of development. India itself, which is the land characterized by great diversity, has its physical features which can be divided into 6 physiographic division. One is northern and northeastern mountains, northern plains, peninsular plateau, Indian desert, coastal plains and the islands. These are the 6 physical features which we do have in our country. You can see in the book. This whole region from here to here, this whole is peninsular plateau, and both side of peninsular plateau in the western coast and the eastern coast are west coast plains. These are islands group. And from Punjab, from the Indus river and its tributaries to here till Brahmaputra, this is a northern plains. And we do have a longitudinal chain of mountains, that is Himalayan mountains. Apart from that, we do have a vast desert here in the name of Thar desert. So this way we have 6 landform. And today the topic which we are going to discuss in brief is Himalayan mountain, that is called north and northeastern mountain. This covered this whole part from here, from Indus river to Brahmaputra river, this whole Himalaya we are going to discuss here in this video. Himalaya, which is 25 kilometer long from east to west, and it is around 1600 to 400 kilometer from north to south. Himalaya mountain can be divided into 2 ways. One is the longitudinal division of Himalaya. Longitudinal division of Himalaya include Himadri Himalaya, Himachal Himalaya, Shivalik Himalaya. In the regional division, this is Kashmir Himalaya, Himachal Himalaya, Uttarakhand Himalaya, Arunachal Himalaya, Northeastern Hills. Longitudinal division is based on the mountain chain, and regional division is based on the regions, that is generally separated by the different river system. In the longitudinal division, which consists the 3 parallel ranges, Greater Himalaya, which is most continuous range, consists of most of the loftiest mountain peak, that like Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga and other, with an average height of this Himalaya is 6,000 meter. Average height of this Himalaya is 6,000 meter. And there are many mountains in Europe, North America, South America and other continent whose highest mountain peak is not more than 6,000 meter, whereas India's Greater Himalayas average height is more than 6,000 meter. And due to this cause, this is throughout the year snow covered. Second longitudinal chain is Himachal Himalaya. This ranges lies to the south of Himadri Himalaya. This is most rugged mountain system composed of compressed rocks, especially sedimentary rocks. Altitude of this Himalaya is high, but comparatively Greater Himalaya is less. This is between 3,700 to 4,500 meter. And due to this medium high altitude, there is temperate climatic region here, and due to which we do have numbers of hill stations are consist in this Himalayan range. Third is Shivalik. This is the outermost layer. It's just 10 kilometer wide and altitude is not very high. It's low, 900 to 1100 meter high. And this is popularly known for Dune valleys. Valleys are some longitudinal valleys which lies between the Shivalik and Himachal Himalaya, like Dehradun, Kotli Dune, Patli Dune are some popular dunes. Now, this is regional division of Himalaya. Apart from these longitudinal chains, we have regional division of Himalaya. Kashmir Himalaya, which lies here in Jammu and Kashmir part between Indus and the Ravi river. Right? Here it consists most of the mountain like Karakoram, Ladakh, Jaskar, Pir Panjal. And this Kashmir Himalaya falls between Pir Panjal in the north and the Greater Himalaya in the south. And there are two river systems which is surrounding these two. Indus river is in the east west and Ravi in the east. And this Himalaya, Kashmir Himalaya, is very popular for two popular glaciers. One is Baltaro and Siachen Glacier. And also popular for the Karwa formation, which is useful for the Jaffran cultivation. And Kashmir Jaffran is world popular, for which it is known, and the cultivation of Jaffran is still practiced in the Kashmir Valley here. There are important passes also. These passes during the medieval and the ancient period helped the traveler to enter in India. Otherwise, without these passes, it was very difficult to enter India's mainland. These popular passes are Jojila, Banihal, Karakoram, Fortula, Kordongla. These popular passes are all lies in the Jammu and Kashmir state. There are many lakes. Some are freshwater lake like Dal and Vula, which are world popular. And Vula is the largest freshwater lake of our country, India. Pagongso and So Moriri are some saltwater lake. And apart from these saltwater lake, there are other lakes also. And when it's come to sources of attraction, they are picturesque landscape like Kashmir Valley, which is known for its beauty, and for the adventure game in the higher parts of Himalaya in the Jammu and Kashmir region. There are important places of pilgrimage as well here, where large number of pilgrims visited in these regions. Vaishno Devi and Amarnath are popular place of worship for the Hindus, Sarar-e-Sharif for the Islam, and Ladakh is a popular destination for Bauddha pilgrims. Then second region is east of Ravi river. From here to till here, this is Kali river. This whole region is Himachal and Uttarakhand Himalaya. You can see here this part lies between Ravi and Satluj, which is Himachal Himalaya, and Uttarakhand, which falls between Satluj and Kali river. This is Ravi river and Satluj is this. This is Satluj river. This is Himachal Himalaya. And from Satluj to Kali river is Uttarakhand Himalaya. In the drainage, there are many popular rivers, Byas, Satluj, Ganga, Yamuna, which are flowing through this region and draining the Himalayan parts. There are popular hill stations as well in this region. Dhamshala, Shimla, Kasauli, Dalhousie are important hill stations of Himachal. And in Uttarakhand, Mussoorie, Nainital, Almora are very popular destination for tourists. And they are very popular Doon Valley in this Himalayan part. Dehradun in Uttarakhand, Chandigarh, Kalka Doon in the Himachal region, Nalagarh, Harike are important other Doon valleys of this region. And the people who are living here since the ages still practicing the same nomadic life are called tribal communities. In these Bhutias, Gujars, Bakrwals are some popular tribal communities which are practicing transhumance. These popular tribals are practicing nomadic life. These transhumans, these Gujar and Bakwals and Bhutias generally, during the summer they move toward the higher reaches of Himalaya where Bugyal, a type of temperate grasslands, grows during the summers. And during the winter, when there is very low temperature in the high reaches of Himalaya, these tribal community in the same regions come downward. And in the place of pilgrimage, Gangotri, Yamunoti, Kedarnath, Badrinath, Hemkund Sahib is very popular destination for Sikhs. Rishikesh are very popular, and apart from that there are many Prayag like Dev Prayag, Ruth Prayag are popular place of worship here. Then next region is Darjeeling and Sikkim Himalayas. This Darjeeling and Sikkim Himalaya lies here in this region. This is Darjeeling and Sikkim Himalaya. Sikkim is lies between Bhutan and Nepal, and north of this is in China. And there is a very small part of West Bengal. This is Darjeeling, right? Is the part of this Himalayan mountain, and this is very popular hill station of this region. This is surrounded by Bhutan in the east and Nepal in the west. Important mountain peak of this region is Kanchenjunga. This is the highest mountain peak of India. Tribal communities may Lepcha and Sherpas are very popular. In the demography, there is a mixed population of Nepalis, Bengalis, Bhutias and Assamese. In the agriculture, especially type of tea cultivation is practiced in the parts of Darjeeling as well in the Sikkim region. And next is next region of Himalaya is Arunachal Himalaya, which almost falls in Arunachal Pradesh. This falls between two river system Tista and Brahmaputra. Is like that. Tista is passing through Sikkim and Darjeeling until here. This is Brahmaputra. This whole region is Arunachal Himalaya. Mountain peaks which are popular here, Kangtu and Namcha are popular mountain peak. In the drainage, Kemang, Subansiri, the Dihang and Lohit are most important river of this region. And there are many tribal communities like other Himalayan part, Manpa, Abhor, Mismi, Niasi and Nagas are popular tribal communities which are residing in this part. And last but not the least, this is Eastern Hills, which is popular as Purvanchal. And this Purvanchal include Patkaibam, Naga Hill, Manipur Hill, Mizo Hills and Lusai Hills. In the drainage, there are many rivers which are passing from here. This is Barak, Meghna, Chindwin are very important river of this region which are draining to this part. Loktak Lake of Manipur is a popular place of attraction here in the northeastern part. So this is all about Himalayan mountains. In the next video we will discuss about the northern plains. Thank you.